how to create a service invoice in our lending management system once a borrower has been approved for their application of loan. Here, under billing, you click new invoice and then it will come out. You can choose any account that is listed in the borrower's list because normally, once the borrower is approved, they are creating a borrower's account. So it means they're already in the borrower's list. So let's try this account. The collector is Lionel Vargas. Receipt number automatically created. And let's click Add Services because this is a services invoice. For example, the assisted amount is 220. And then passbook, if it's a new account, because they doesn't have passbook before, if it's a new account. But if it's a renewal, they already have their own passbook from before. And then savings, let's just say the savings is 200. Plus, of course, the train law. If it's a renewal, normally, if the client renews a loan and they wanted to borrow, their savings, that's what this SB4, if they wanted to borrow an SB or a savings borrow, that's what it means, okay? But if it's a newly approved loan, we don't have that. Only assistance, which is the purpose of assistance is to assist the borrower in case of debt, either the primary borrower or the beneficiary. The passbook, if they don't have a new passbook, that's what is being charged. All new loans and succeeding renewal loans, normally the lending company is giving them a savings. The savings is purposely charged to a client to be able for them to save money while lending. Train law is the tax collected from the borrower. Train law is the tax collected from the borrowers. These savings, they can borrow that using the word SB if they will borrow that if somehow they need to finish their loan and they don't have money to pay for it, they can use their savings. That's also one of the purpose of the savings. These are the amount that the lending company needs to deduct in the borrower's loan approved. You have to put here the amount paid because you will deduct this before you will release the loan. For example, the loan approved is 10,000, just like this one. 10,000 is the approved loan. So less the 445 that needs to be paid for this services, the amount to release for that certain borrower is 9,555. So that's how you create a service invoice and click Save and click OK. To be able to see that services invoice, after creating it, you may go here to invoice list and see this invoice. The remaining balance is 445 and the collections or payment that we collected from their loan amount is 445 also. When you click this, it will show you the invoice that we have created. So it's the same. And once you open an invoice, it will show you the name of the borrower here, in which if you click that, you can go here at the borrower's list and you can see in the payment history the payment that has been collected from them, which is 445. And there is no receivables for that because it is being collected from the first invoice of a loan approved. And later, we will gonna have another video on how to create a loan invoice. So that's it for now. Thank you.